let's start. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today, my kids are not here, but yeah, today we're doing an unboxing video on things that I got online. This one from Lazada, and this one I got it from Globe Telecom, which was delivered today. So let's start with this one. This is the first time I'm going to do an unboxing video. So this is from Globe actually. As you can see, it's wrapped with their paper bag. What is it? Not sure what to title this yet. What is this? What is it? It's the new Samsung NOTE20 Ultra 5G Mystic Black. So it's sealed by Globe. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, shipped by Ringke from Globe. Right off the box, you have the phone. You see the reflection of it. Then underneath, you have SIM ejector, few papers here, quick start guide, and warranty card. Okay, this is the phone. Is there Mystic Black? Look at that camera size. Okay, you have small paper, charger. I don't know how many watts this is, but it says super fast charging. Charging cables, USB-C to USB-C. It's also USB-C. And then it's AKG earphones with the earphone sizes. We'll try this one later. And some small empty box, and that's it. This is, by the way, guys, waterproof. See that? That's the water seal here. What's this? What is this other thing that we have to unbox? It's in the description for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Yeah. So, Ringke Fusion casing. Ringke. Oh, okay. I think I got the smoke black or the clear. Maybe probably the smoke black. We have to remove this. Yeah, fingerprint magnet. Ta-da! Fingerprinty. To continue with this unboxing, I forgot to mention one of the most important things in a Note series phone. That's why people buy Samsung Note instead of the Samsung S or other phones, because of this, the S Pen, where if you write, it is like writing on a piece of paper, because it's faster now, like 9 milliseconds I think, compared to the previous one. One of the reasons. And then now for me, one of the reasons why I got this is because I want to try the future, which is this, the Samsung Dex. Connecting it to mirror share. Start now with the smart TV, and look at that. My TV is now a PC, and then I can use my phone as a touchpad. See? Mouse moves. Let's try Samsung Dex Tips. Searching for Samsung Dex Tips. Then you can scroll again. It's not a touchpad. I wonder if we can use the pen also. Oh, I played a video.
Haven't used Dex a lot lately. These are 5 tips I think everyone should know about.
Alright,
For
so
a better experience.
we're closing this with my pen now. I'm actually using my phone as a... Oh, these are the sample pictures. Like having a laptop in the palm of your hands. The future of mobile computer is probably the Samsung Dex.